Welcome back to Take Apart Engineering. Have you ever wondered what was inside of a video game controller? Well, in this week's video, we're going to take apart an old video game controller to see what is inside. So if you're ready, let's get the tools together and we'll take apart this game controller and see what it looks like inside. Okay, let's take a look at the outside of our video game controller before we start disassembling it. We've got two joysticks, one for the left hand, one for the right hand. We have action buttons, which are for various different commands within whatever particular game you're playing. You have a select button, a start button, a mode button. Then you have your directional buttons, or D buttons, for forward, back, left, and right. And then I can tip this forward, and you can see we have 4 different buttons on the front that are fire buttons. Depending on which game you're playing, determines how you'll use those. Okay? And then on the front side, you have your on-off switch. All right, so let's actually take the case off and see what it looks like inside. So let me flip the unit over. And you can see on the back that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to take out. Plus, we have a battery cover because our batteries, AAA batteries, go located in here. And then inside that battery cover, they hide another screw that you need to take off. So in total, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that you need to take off. So let's take those screws out, loosen them up, and take the unit apart. Don't know that I've ever had this game controller apart, so we'll see what it does as far as coming apart. And as you can see, these screws are tiny. So if you ever take one apart, you want to make sure you pay attention to where those screws are so that you don't lose them. Pry this apart, and there we go. Lay this out so we can see it. All right, there's the inside of our video game controller, and you can see on the front side there are fire buttons, and you can see what those look like. You've got a bigger button that sticks out, and then you have a pad with an electronic circuit board for those fire buttons. Down below you have the electronic board for your joysticks. And then down in the bottom you have these items right here. Now, we said when we started, this video game controller is considered a dual shock video controller. Dual shock means that it vibrates or rumbles. Some people call it vibration, some people call it rumble. During your video game, it may have a certain item that they want to have a rumble to it or a vibration to it. And these are what create that. They are actually motors hooked to your electronic circuit board. Down below here you can see you've got a piece of metal shaped like a half moon that when the motor turns, this turns, and because it's uneven, it vibrates or rumbles, and you feel that in your video game controller. Inside of this you have an electronic circuit board. This circuit board is for the on-off switch and for the joysticks. You've got another circuit board that I'm not going to pull out that has all the electronic circuitry on the other side for the motors and for the fire buttons. So this is what the inside of a video game controller looks like. You've got your buttons, you've got your joysticks, you have your vibration or rumble motors, and the location for the batteries. So that's what the inside of a video game controller looks like. I hope you found that interesting. And if you want to comment, go right ahead. Leave me a comment about what you think about the insides of a video game controller. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And we will see you on the next video. Have a great day.